Hi again. Today we will analyze the Euro Swiss franc chart and we will also have a look into our New Zealand and Swiss franc chart too and make a small update regarding this trade. First, I will start with our trade here because I actually closed most of it because I got hesitated and I'm not sure about it as the way I was before. Be- our trade was here. Let me show you here. Yes, this is our trade. I closed most of my trade here, and I actually opened a buy trade here, small one here, as hedging, as like because sometimes you don't know where the price will go, and I saw this in, in 4 hour or 1 hour short, make it 4 hour, and I saw this pattern. That's what made me close my trade and enter a long position. I didn't enter at the wick. I actually entered like this here, this, and the pattern is here, here. This was like typical bullish flag. This is, oh, I moved, this was our short position. So I exited here, I most of my trade, and I enter a long position because actually I had the sense that we are still bullish. We broke the structure here and went down in this corrective way. This is the impulse correction. You can easily, I guess, differentiate between impulse and correction. Impulse correction. So here I entered my trade and I also exited here. I think I exited early because I think it is, I don't know actually, because now you can see it may still go up. Like here it is the impulse, and you may see this as correction and still go up. But the fact that we have 1 2 3 4 5, it also mean that this push or this bullish move has ended, and we will start now to see this bearish. But to let you know, I closed most of my position, the long, the short. I may regret it later if I see this. I will regret it anyway, because if I see this go this way, I will regret that I closed my short position. If it goes this way, I will regret that I have closed my long position. But this is how it is. You will always regret something. Whether you lost, you lose money or you win money, you will always have something to regret. The best way is not to think about it. And actually, here and at 15 minutes short, if we look here, we also have here a very good confirmation of bearish move, but I will leave this bear alone right now because now I don't know, to be honest, where it is heading. I will trade instead euro franc because I think we have a better setup here. Let's look at daily chart, because if you see here, we have this bearish move, very big one, and we have an imbalance here, of also a very big one, which have, if we also put our Fibonacci, we will see that it is actually in around 77. Here is 77 retracement, and here is 88. So I think we are heading this way. And the fact that we also have this very good impulse here, bullish momentum here, this was the leg, the first leg, this retraced back and then went up to 2.61. So we will leave that leg because it already has been retraced. We may take this one, it also was retraced, so we'll take this leg, this one here, and we are right now between 77 and 88 retracement, which is a very good retracement level. I like to enter most of my trade at 77 retracement, or even more if I can get that. And we also have, I think we have imbalance. I saw it before, maybe in 1 hour chart, or yeah, 1 hour chart. If we look here, we have this imbalance. I will mark it with array here. It was filled. Here we have an imbalance, another one here. This price is a void. You can see it. We didn't touch it. This void, so we don't have volume here. Actually, it came back here and then went up, came back again here and then went up. I think it may go up from there, or it may go and make a kind of liquidity sweep and under this one here in this void and tap in this fair value gap, and then from there I expect it to go higher to these levels. As we said before, I will reset chart. So I will enter here around this area. I entered already with a small volume. If it get here, I will enter again and then exit if it's also confluent with our levels. I will exit maybe at with the 1.61. This is the level that I prefer, and you can leave one open till 2, but I will exit most of my position here. So our trade will look like this. I will put my stop loss. I usually put it under the minus 0.23, and our take profit will be here. So we have around 3.9 risk to reward ratio. Can make it like this, but there is then a risk of getting hit. But I don't think if we go this way that our move will still be valid, so we can put it here. So then we have improved our risk to reward to 6. And this is also one of the reasons that I got out from the New Zealand franc. Not totally out because I still have a small position, but as I said before, here this that the fact that the euro franc is very seems, I don't know, it seems very Polish. I don't think that the New Zealand franc will be bearish because normally they are correlated. Actually, they are the same currency. So, and it is always better to, if you are trading two pairs, that you you take two uncorrelated pairs. If you wanna trade New Zealand franc, then you can enter maybe AUD USD or maybe Euro USD, but don't enter two trades with the same pair, like or correlated trades, because if the franc has dropped massively in one day, so you will lose two trades instead of one. So this is our trade for today, and that's it. You follow for more.